create killer hooks for all of my short form content, all just my laptop and my couch now, in minutes, not hours. And that's actually insane to say because the hook is the most important part of all of your short form content. It's the first 2 to 3 seconds of your video. I have 2 videos on my Instagram page. One has 600,000 plus views, while the other has a few thousand, all because I changed the hook. It's the same edit, but the first 3 seconds is completely different. And not only am I gonna show you the exact same hook template I use in Adobe Premiere Pro, and now just like this. I've been struggling lately and I wanna talk about it. I'm gonna show you how to build the entire system for you. What was that? On the right here is all of my hooks that I use in every single one of my content. Each of them has their own unique little style, but they're super clean, and that's why I love them so much. They have zoom sound effects, and all I have to do, let's say I love this number 3 one. I've been fucking with it a lot recently, so I'm just gonna drag it, drop it into my content, and now just like this. I've been struggling lately, and I wanna talk about it. Perfect. Now all we have to do is just align it to what I'm saying. So come to this first one here. I say I've in my caption, so all I want to do is go into the properties tab and then change the hook 3 to I've. So I'm just going to do that, I've, just like so. Now you can clearly see that it changed, and then you rinse and repeat that for the rest of these captions. So I'm just going to do that really quick. Trying to spell struggling, and I am fucking struggling spelling it. Awesome. So now it looks like this. And you can see that it looks pretty fucked. And don't worry, nothing's perfect. These are not perfect, like straight the fuck up. I don't promote these to be absolutely perfect. Your girl is not perfect. She bitches and complains, but you can easily fix it by just highlighting all of these on the bottom and then just changing the font size. Now it looks like this. I've been struggling lately and yeah, that's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. I'm gonna make this I've better. The one reason I really love these is you can customize them so much that like this hook looks absolutely completely different than the way we started it, and that's why these are just so clean and good. And I'm actually going to nest these really quick so that when I nest it, I can scale up all of these just like so. And then put them right here, reposition it. We're gonna bring this I've down just so it's not covering my beautiful face. A lot of self-love here. And now we have this. I've been struggling lately and dude, that's freaking clean. My zoom is done. All of my sound effects are done. My riser, every single text has their own sound effect to have it come in. And you get a wide variety of these, so if you don't like this one, you can just come into here and pick any of these. Let's just grab this number 1. This one's super popular. Everyone loves using this one. I see it all the time. A lot of people that use this hooks template pack. I've been struggling lately. Videos of this all the time lately, and I want to talk about it. Absolutely love this one. And you can find these hooks templates in the link in the description in my short form hooks V2 pack. And if you want to recreate this entire hook system for yourself, let's say, you know, you created your own hook. Let's say we just created this hook on screen right now that's actually in the short form hooks V2 pack. Like I just dragged and dropped it. All you have to do is just highlight these, make sure to grab your sound effects if you have the sound effects, right click, and then hit make subsequence. Now you can see it pops right here. It's called sequence number 3. Let me just delete these. And then all you have to do is just come to the one that you have in your bin from your project, and then boom, drag and drop. I've been struggling lately. Make sure that you don't have this clicked, because if you have this clicked, and let's delete these, and then you drag and drop it, it puts it all in a stupid struggling sequence like this. You can see that the zoom doesn't work. I've been struggling on lately. This clip for some reason. Delete this and then drag and drop it again. And now struggling lately, and I want to talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the hype button, and make sure to go watch this video right over here. I break down more short form editing tips, and really love you guys. Peace.